Have you ever installed new software only to feel overwhelmed and give up? It's not a great feeling. In this video, you'll see how getting started with Chargent is easier than you think, so you can immediately start to improve your payments process. My name is Danielle, and I'm from Chargent. If you're an admin or consultant implementing Chargent for the first time, or thinking about implementing Chargent and want to see how much effort it will take, then you're in the right place. Don't forget, if you get stuck along the way or have any questions as you get started with your implementation, you're welcome to contact us at any time using the link in the description. So, you've made the smart decision of trying Chargent. Get to know the Chargent settings. One of the first places you should explore after installing Chargent is the Chargent Settings tab. You can find the Settings tab by going to the App Launcher, clicking on the Chargent app, and navigating to the Chargent Settings tab. Everything you need to set up and configure Chargent can be found here. You'll have quick access to resources like help docs, video tutorials, and contact information to get in touch with us if you have any questions. To get the most out of Chargent, we recommend familiarizing yourself with these 3 settings. Complete the setup wizard. Now that you've explored the settings, we suggest you spend more time in the setup wizard, which is arguably the most essential tool in the Chargent settings. This tool allows you to easily set up an integration with one of over 30 different payment gateways. Through a series of questions, you'll configure your gateway based on your specific requirements to start sending test transactions in just minutes. As you're going through the settings and find yourself wanting help, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Chargent team. Or contact us today by clicking the link in the description to get answers to your payment-related questions. Set up payment requests. After configuring your gateway in Salesforce, you'll next want to set up payment requests by creating a secure Experience Cloud site and a payment request template. Payment requests will allow you to send secure pay links to your customers, allowing them to make payments at their convenience. When you configure your payment request template, you can change the look and feel of your pay form to match your company's branding. Schedule recurring payments. Lastly, we recommend adding the Chargent Anywhere component to all Salesforce objects you'd like to accept payments from. The Chargent Anywhere component gives your users quick access to send a payment request or take a payment using the payment console. The payment console makes testing your transactions simple and allows you to set up recurring payments with little effort. Oh, and one last quick tip. Remember the setup wizard we mentioned earlier? This is where you can choose to enable tokenization in Salesforce with just a click of a button. Tokenization will help you reduce the scope of PCI compliance and protect your customer data. See, taking payments in Salesforce using Chargent is easier than you'd think. My name is Danielle, and I'm from Chargent, where we are dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. If you have any questions about setting up Chargent, please don't hesitate to contact us by using the link in the description. And for more helpful content, watch this next video here. And remember, at Chargent, we're always here to help.